Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the auto pass or auto shoot in FIFA Mobile. So this is I'm in the auto mode because I'm in idle. You can you cannot fully turn off this auto mode, but you can turn off the auto pass and auto shoot. For example, as you can see, my player is auto shoot right now and make an auto pass. You can turn it off completely by tapping pause button and go to gameplay and scroll down. Oh, this one, auto pass and and shoot, switch off. Player continue to dribble without user input. So the player will still in auto mode, but it's dribbling only, not make a pass. As you can see, he is not passed to the teammates, just auto dribbling, wasting time. So it's very useful if you are in daily training or playing in a live event that not important match. So if you want to turn it on, go back, go to pause, go to preference, just turn it on. So your player will pass automatically and shoot automatically. So please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.